Well, this is just outside of Buffalo, about, let's say, not even 20 miles outside of Buffalo, New York. I'm on the I-90, and this is what it's like to be in a big truck driving in this snowstorm. I am empty. I have no weight on me whatsoever. I'm doing 5 miles an hour. Can't see a damn fucking thing right now. What you see, them trucks, them cars, that's it. That's all I can see. Just as much as you can see in that video, in this video. This is treacherous. I've been on this road since 5 o'clock this morning. Seen four plows in the median, and plenty of trucks in the median and in the ditches. This definitely is not a joke. This is definitely not a game to be playing in. I gotta be on this road for the next 71 miles. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about doing this. I already risked it going to deliver my load. Now I gotta go pick up a load in West Virginia. 3 hours and 48 minutes away. And I'm at a crawl. This is definitely not fun. Well, just to kind of give you an idea of what it's like to drive where I'm driving right now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Well, now I have to say that it has gotten quite worse out now. You can hardly see a car in front of me. Not liking the feeling of this at all. Still outside of Buffalo, didn't get very far. Sorry, I got people talking on the CB.
Well, not that it matters, you ain't fucking seen nothing anyway. Good Lord.
But yeah, as you can see, nobody can see. So, here's a little taste of some more even worse than this. Oh, look at it. If you can see it, we got a car right here on the left in the ditch. Yeah, gotta go around it. Well, enjoy this video too, guys. This is me driving in this shitty ass weather.